If you want to improve your resume in Grammarly and make it stronger for job applications, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. We're going to upload your resume, use Grammarly's resume builder features, review the AI suggestions, and then export the final version as a polished PDF. This is a simple way to make your resume more professional, more readable, and more ATS-friendly without starting from scratch. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the Grammarly website. Once you're on the homepage, sign into your account if needed. After that, look for the option to upload a document or resume file. Select your resume file from your computer and if possible, choose a PDF version since that usually keeps the formatting cleaner when it opens in the editor. Once the file is uploaded, Grammarly will open your resume inside the editing workspace. Give it a moment to load fully so all the text and formatting appear correctly. Now look at the right side of the screen where Grammarly shows its tools and suggestions. Here, you should see the Resume Builder option. Click on Resume Builder to let Grammarly analyze your resume content and structure. At this stage, Grammarly AI will begin suggesting improvements designed to make your resume more clear, more professional, and better aligned with ATS standards. These suggestions can help improve your wording, strengthen your impact, and make your experience sound more relevant to employers. Go through each suggestion carefully. Don't just accept everything automatically. Read each recommendation and decide whether it improves the meaning of your resume. You may see suggestions for stronger action verbs, cleaner phrasing, better formatting, or more concise bullet points. If a suggestion makes your resume sound more natural and professional, apply it. If it changes the meaning of your experience, adjust it so it still reflects your real background accurately. Take your time with this step because this is where you can really improve the quality of your resume. A strong resume should be clear, specific, and easy for hiring systems to read. Grammarly can help you polish the language so your resume looks more refined and professional. Once you've reviewed all the suggestions and made your changes, double-check the final version from top to bottom. Make sure your contact details, job titles, dates, skills, and bullet points all look correct. After everything is ready, go to the top right corner of the document and click the three dots menu. From there, select Export. Grammarly will then give you export options and you can save your resume in PDF format. Choosing PDF is usually the best option because it preserves the layout and makes your resume easy to share with recruiters. Once the export is complete, your improved resume is ready to download and use for job applications. And that's how you improve a resume in Grammarly step by step. It's a quick and effective way to make your resume cleaner, stronger, and more job ready. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.